Well, today is Subaru Garden Days at Capital Subaru on the Parkway, and I'm with Brian. And Brian, we love coming out here. William and I have so much fun, but there's more going on than just seeing us. So what's going on?
Well, you guys are obviously the biggest draw here. We love having you. It's our 10th annual. We've got over 15 vendors here on site. Capital Subaru is giving away a bunch of different gardening equipment, plants, and you can come enter to win a $100 Al's gift card as well at our booth.
Wow. And there's also, every half an hour, there's going to be a possible giveaway of an Al's gift card or an Eden Gardens gift card. So really, that's going to be wonderful to win.
Yeah, we're going to have a food truck here, a coffee truck vendor here, and we're going to be giving away free smoothies as well for everybody to beat the heat.
That's great. That is great. And you know, it's really a friendly event for everybody, for the whole family, even the family dog.
Absolutely. We've got a dog park here. There's all pets are people too at Capital Subaru.
Definitely.
Yeah, there's no pressure. We have hundreds of vehicles to choose from. If somebody's interested in driving one, there'll be room to do that as well. But we're here to enjoy the day.
So Brian, you mentioned over 15 vendors. So what kind of things can we actually see and take home?
So we've got all kinds of different vendors here. We've got garden art, we've got trees, we've got plants, we've got buzz bees here, stuff for everybody.
And Brian, also by the Garden Time booth, we're going to have kids be able to plant seeds. Right, and you know, Rick Naylor from French Prairie Perennials and Visionscaping is going to have a little seminar at 11 o'clock and at 1 o'clock teaching us how to plant for year-round color in your garden. So that's going to be something to see too when you come out today.
Good, because I need all the help I can get.
We all do. So really go to gardentime.tv, click on the event, and then you get the information on where it is, the time and everything, but we'll come out and see us at 11 o'clock till 3 o'clock today. Thanks so much, Brian.
Thank you.